Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Classroom app and making sure you're on the right account. This prevents removing the wrong profile. Once the app loads, tap your profile avatar at the top right to reveal account and app options. From there, glance at the class list to confirm the class you want to leave. Make sure to note any assignments or materials you'll need later so you don't lose important work when you exit the class. Once you've opened the specific class, tap the three-dot menu in the top right of the class banner or open the class and select the People tab. This is where membership controls live. You'll see the list of students and teachers. Scroll as needed. Then look for the Leave Class option or a Join/Leave toggle, usually available under the menu or the overflow icon. Tap it to begin the leave process and read any content. Tap Confirm or Leave when the system asks. You'll immediately lose access to class materials and announcements, so be certain you saved anything needed. If you don't see a Leave Class option, check whether you're listed as a teacher or the class is managed by your school. Teachers and admin-controlled accounts cannot leave and must be removed by an admin. If something goes wrong, force close the app, clear cache, or update the app. Sign out and back in to refresh membership state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.